Stop making these 15 travel mistakes. Welcome aboard, travelers. Today we're counting down the top 15 air travel mistakes that you need to stop making immediately. Whether you're a casual flyer, a senior globetrotter, or anyone in between, these are the blunders that turn your dream trip into a baggage carousel nightmare. And don't worry, we'll serve it all with a side of humor and dad jokes. Because what's travel without a little turbulence of laughter? Before we take off, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and hit that like button. It's your boarding pass to smarter adventures. CTA. Now, tray tables up and let's dive into the list. 15. Not checking your travel documents. Mistake. Treating your passport or ID like an afterthought. Travelers often arrive at the airport only to realize their passport expired or their ID isn't valid. In the US, starting May 7th, 2025, you need a real ID compliant license or a passport to fly domestically. That outdated license from the 90s, TSA will say, not today. For international trips, some countries, like those in the EU, require your passport to be valid 3 to 6 months beyond your stay. How to fix. Do a document check well before travel. Renew passports at least 6 months before expiration. Ensure your driver's license is real ID compliant. Look for the star. Research visa or ETA requirements for your destination. One traveler shared how a simple document error left them stuck at London Heathrow Customs for hours. Don't let that be you. A quick check now prevents a meltdown later. Travel prepared and with valid paperwork. 14. Skipping TSA PreCheck or global entry. Mistake. Enduring the long shoes off, belt off, laptop out routine in standard security lines, while others breeze through with TSA PreCheck. In 2024, TSA screened over 3 million people in a single day. Without PreCheck, you're stuck in the slow lane, possibly missing your flight. PreCheck isn't elite. Anyone can apply. And 99% of users wait less than 10 minutes at security. Flying internationally. Skipping global entry is another time waster. It speeds you through customs and includes PreCheck too. One traveler joked they spent longer in the immigration line than their flight from Toronto to NYC. How to fix. Apply for TSA PreCheck, $85 for 5 years, or global entry, $120. Many credit cards reimburse the fee. Canadians can apply for NEXUS for similar benefits. Once you sail through security without removing your shoes or laptop, you'll never go back. Invest in speed, sanity, and skipping lines like a seasoned pro. 13. Neglecting in-flight comfort. Sleep is not for the weak. Mistake. Boarding a long flight with zero plan for sleep or comfort. If you've ever thought, I'll just wing it, you're setting yourself up for misery. Between dry air, engine noise, glowing screens, and crying babies, trying to rest without prep is a one-way ticket to exhaustion. One senior traveler flew from London to Toronto without earplugs or neck support and landed looking like they'd spent the night in a wind tunnel. How to fix it. Pack a sleep survival kit, neck pillow, eye mask, earplugs or noise-canceling headphones, and dress in layers. Planes fluctuate between fridge and furnace. Refill your water bottle on board and skip that extra wine. Hydration beats dehydration every time. Download relaxing music or a calming podcast before takeoff. A little planning goes a long way toward comfort. You're not being picky, you're being smart. Rest well in the sky and arrive feeling ready, not wrecked. Sponsor break, the CloudNap Pro Band trademark. Before we hit mistake number 12, here's a quick upgrade for your in-flight comfort. The Mobionics CloudNap Pro Band. It's a soft Bluetooth headband with ultra-thin speakers, no bulky headphones, no painful earbuds, and yes, it doubles as an eye mask. Listen to music, white noise, or that boring podcast your seatmate hates, and actually get some sleep at 30,000 feet. We love it, and now you can try it too. Mobionics is giving our viewers 10% off. Use promo code FLIGHT10 at checkout. Links below. Sleep smarter, not harder. Now, let's get back to the countdown. If you're enjoying these tips, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Don't sleep on it. More travel hacks are on the way. 12th, ignoring airline apps and tech tools. Mistake. Flying in 2025 like it's 1995. No app, paper ticket, and zero real-time updates. Skipping your airline's app is a rookie move. Most US flyers check in electronically, and a third use apps for flight updates. Without it, you're flying blind. One traveler at O'Hare missed his connection because the gate changed. He was snacking at the old one. Oops. How to fix. Download your airline's app before your flight and enable notifications. You'll get alerts for delays, gate changes, and boarding. Many apps offer rebooking tools, mobile boarding passes, in-flight entertainment, and messaging. Use airport apps too for terminal maps and TSA wait times. Save your boarding pass to your phone wallet and print a backup. Tech is great until your phone dies. So bring a portable charger. Nothing's worse than scrambling at Heathrow, fighting for an outlet like it's gold. Let your phone be your co-pilot. It'll keep you informed, on time, and off the missed flight list. 11th. Booking unrealistically tight connections. Mistake. Booking a layover so short you'd need a teleportation device to make it. That $50 savings, not worth the sprint through JFK with your sanity and bag unraveling. In May 2024, only 72.6% of US flights arrived on time. Some airlines, like Frontier, were worse. A short delay plus tight layover equals missed connection and unexpected airport sleepover. How to fix. Go non-stop when possible. If not, build in buffer time. For domestic flights, aim for at least 1 hour. For international or customs transfers, give yourself 2 to 3. Big airports like Heathrow or Toronto Pearson aren't quick strolls. They're Olympic events in disguise. One traveler missed a connection at Pearson after underestimating the walk and the wait at immigration. Longer layovers might seem dull, but a calm coffee beats a frantic rebooking. So plan smart. Give yourself time, breathe easy, and avoid the Home Alone airport dash experience. 10. Taking the last flight of the day. Mistake. Booking that 10 p.m. flight just to save $20. Sounds smart until it's delayed or canceled with no backups. Late flights are delay magnets. Why? Travel delays snowball all day. Cruise timeout, weather worsens, and recovery windows vanish. By 9 p.m., your flight might not fly at all. Stats don't lie. In summer 2023, over 80% of flights between 6 to 9 a.m. left on time. By 6 to 9 p.m., under 60%. That $20 saving can cost you a night at Gate 28. How to fix. Book early. Yes, it's painful waking at 4 a.m., but morning flights are likelier to be on time, crews are fresh, and delays haven't built up yet. Plus, if something goes wrong, you've got rebooking options all day. Late flight canceled, you're stuck overnight. If you must fly late, monitor earlier flights on that route. Call the airline early if trouble's brewing. The early bird doesn't just get the worm, it gets wheels up. 9. Arriving too late at the airport. Mistake. Cutting it close at the airport like you're in a 100-meter dash. Arriving 30 minutes before your 8 a.m. flight? Big mistake. In 2024, TSA screened nearly 3 million passengers in a single day, and mega hubs like Heathrow and Toronto Pearson are busier than ever. Even if Heathrow says 92% of travelers clear security in under 5 minutes, do you want to gamble on being in the unlucky 8%? Add in parking issues, shuttle delays, or a terminal mix-up. Your flight could leave without you. One traveler sprinted to Terminal 5 at Heathrow. His flight was at Terminal 3. How to fix. Arrive early. 2 hours for domestic, 3 for international. Pad that if you're flying during peak times or from crowded airports. Check in online the night before, download your boarding pass, and use TSA PreCheck if you have it. Early equals calm, late equals panic, and possibly a missed flight. 8. Packing prohibited or problematic items in carry-on. Mistake. Turning the TSA line into a circus by forgetting basic rules. Think oversized liquids, souvenir snow globes, or that forgotten pocket knife. The 100 milliliter, 3.4 ounces, liquid rule has existed since 2006, yet people still lose full-size cologne and water bottles to the bin. It's not just liquids, laptops left in bags, unless you have PreCheck, metal belts, and novelty items that resemble weapons can delay you or worse. How to fix. Pack liquids in 100 milliliter containers inside a quart-sized bag. Keep electronics easy to access. Empty your water bottle before security. Avoid metal-heavy outfits and wear slip-off shoes. Lithium batteries and power banks, carry-on only and visible. Know the rules. Your smooth security experience depends on it. 7. Overpacking and ignoring baggage fees. Mistake. treating your suitcase like a storage unit and racking up overweight baggage fees. In 2024, US Airlines made $7.27 billion from baggage charges. First checked bag, $30 to $75. Over 50 pounds, expect $100 plus. Even carry-ons get flagged, especially on budget airlines. That oversized roller could cost you at the gate. Worse, even Southwest now charges for bags as of 2025. Low-cost carriers like Spirit or Ryanair. Everything beyond a personal item can cost you $65. How to fix? Weigh your luggage at home with a $10 scale. Trim the extras. Do you need 5 pairs of shoes? Know your airline's baggage policies before booking. Consider an airline credit card or loyalty perks for free bags. Travel lighter and dodge costly surprises. 6. Not selecting seats or checking in early. Mistake: skipping seat selection and check-in, leaving your fate to the airline's algorithm. On oversold flights, those without assigned seats are first to get bumped. Even if you make it on board, you might land in the dreaded middle seat. Or worse, next to the lavatory. Early check-in helps. Most airlines open at 24 hours before departure, and low-cost carriers like Ryanair may charge if you don't check in online. How to fix? Select your seat when booking, if allowed. If not, set a reminder to check in as soon as possible. Pro tip: check back later. Last-minute upgrades often free up better spots. Traveling with others? Book seats together. Use Seat Guru to avoid bad ones. Don't gamble on comfort. Lock it in early. 5. Not labeling or tracking your checked luggage. Mistake: skipping luggage tags or trackers and assuming your bag won't get lost. In 2024, airlines mishandled 6.3 bags per 1,000 passengers, roughly 33 million worldwide. Even with better tech, bags still go missing. How to fix? Label your bag clearly inside and out with your name, phone number, and email. Add a tracker like an AirTag or Tile. Airlines like Delta and British Airways even accept shared tracker data to help locate bags faster. A friend once found her missing bag in Montreal thanks to her AirTag, before the airline had a clue. Bonus tips: take a photo of your bag before check-in, remove old tags, and keep your baggage claim slip. A little prep makes lost luggage far less of a nightmare. 4. Packing all essentials in checked luggage. Mistake: trusting your checked bag with all your essentials. If it's lost or delayed and your meds, documents, or clothes are in it, you're stuck cold, tired, and unprepared. How to fix? Pack smart. Always carry vital items in your hand luggage. Medications in labeled bottles, passport, chargers, glasses, travel docs, a change of clothes, and basic toiletries. Headed to the tropics? Toss in a swimsuit just in case. Seniors should never check medical devices or prescriptions. Pro tip: traveling with a partner? Cross-pack one outfit in each other's bag. Back up if one goes missing. Airlines may reimburse emergency purchases, but only if you didn't already pack those items. Bottom line: treat your carry-on like a 48-hour survival kit. Better to be over-prepared than underdressed at baggage claim. 3. Neglecting your health and comfort on the flight. Mistake: treating your body like checked baggage. Unmoving, dehydrated, and ignored. Long flights, especially for older travelers, can wreak havoc on circulation, hydration, and overall well-being. Cabin air is drier than the Sahara, around 10 to 20% humidity, which leads to rapid dehydration. Add in long periods of sitting, salty snacks, and wine, and you arrive at your destination feeling like a crumpled pretzel. Solution: stay hydrated. Aim to sip water regularly throughout the flight. Skip the soda binge and limit alcohol and caffeine, which dehydrate further. Move. Get up every couple hours, stretch your legs, or even just do ankle rolls and shoulder shrugs in your seat. Compression socks are a great help, especially for seniors or those with circulation concerns. Combat jet lag by aligning your sleep and meals with your destination's time zone as best as you can. Don't nap for 5 hours on a daytime flight and expect to sleep later. Upon arrival, seek daylight and avoid crashing too early. Also, pack moisturizer, lip balm, and a few healthy snacks. Your body is going through a marathon at 35,000 feet. Treat it well, and you'll land energized instead of wrecked. 2. Not having a backup plan or travel insurance for disruptions. Mistake. Assuming your trip will go perfectly. No delays, no cancellations, no strikes, no bad weather. Reality check. Air travel is unpredictable. From computer outages to volcanic ash clouds, disruptions happen. The real mistake is not preparing. No travel insurance, no clue about passenger rights, no backup plan. Remember the 2022 holiday meltdown? Thousands stranded, many paying for hotels and new flights because they didn't have insurance or didn't know airlines were supposed to help. Even in 2025, rules vary. US DOT requires airlines to provide compensation for controllable cancellations, but you have to ask. In Europe, EU 261 entitles passengers to compensation, but only if you know to claim it. Fix. Prepare for the worst. Know your rights. Check flightrights.gov. Consider travel insurance, especially for seniors or international trips. It can cover cancellations, delays, medical costs, and evacuation. Credit cards may offer some protection too. Check your benefits. Also, pack essentials in your carry-on. Keep airline and insurance contacts handy. And download the airline's app to rebook fast if needed. Build buffer time into your itinerary if your trip has critical timing. A little planning goes a long way. It won't stop disruptions, but it'll keep them from turning into disasters. 1. Losing your cool and forgetting to enjoy the journey. Mistake. Letting travel stress steal your joy. Yes, air travel can be rough. Delays, security checks, rude passengers, crying babies, overpriced snacks. But the biggest mistake? Losing your patience and letting it ruin your trip. In 2024, airlines still reported over 2,000 incidents of unruly passengers, people who yelled, fought, or worse. That behavior not only gets you kicked off flights, it wrecks your travel experience. Even less dramatic reactions, grumpiness, frustration, snapping at staff, can sour your trip. You travel to enjoy yourself, right? Don't let a delayed flight or scratched suitcase derail your entire mood. Travel requires flexibility and a touch of zen. How to fix. Pack patience. It's free. Set expectations before you fly. Delays happen. Control what you can, and when things go sideways, stay calm. Treat airline staff kindly. They'll be more helpful. Use downtime creatively. Read, people watch, or try a guided meditation app. Stay focused on your why: vacation, family, adventure. If your bag is lost, joke that it went on a solo trip. Humor beats rage every time. The best travelers aren't the lucky ones. They're the ones who stay cool when things go wrong. Be that traveler and make the journey part of your story, not the reason you unravel. There you have it, the top 15 air travel mistakes and exactly how to stop making them. We covered everything from paperwork to packing, apps to naps, and a healthy dose of humor in between. Air travel may never be 100% hassle-free, but with these tips, you'll avoid the common pitfalls that trap so many flyers. Instead of learning the hard way, you'll be the savvy jet setter who breezes through the airport saying, "Mistakes? Not on my watch."